little bike check. My Whyte 905 2018 27.5 plus bike. Okay, where do I begin? It's just an all-round amazing performer. We've got 11 speed SRAM GX. Now I've actually got the Crankbrothers Super Bruni downhill pedals, which can't fault. Amazing grip, easy to get in and out of, and built like a brick privy. Amazing things. The rear tyres on this one are the Maxxis Rekon. They're 2.8. What else have we got on there? So just moving through the frame, it's a large frame is this one. I'm 5'10", 5'11". We've got the Revelations. Oops, it's just about to fall over with a bit of gust of a wind. On the front, we've got the high roller, again 2.8. And brakes wise, pretty decent brakes, level T's. Not the most powerful, but certainly do me really well on mobility. The grip on these tyres is pretty fantastic. Can't fault these, amazing things. I've got my lights on there just because of the local loop that I'm doing. Involves a few roads. I've got quick guard underneath just to save a little bit of splash, and I've also got a cut down piece of old tyre which just stops from rock strike, and you probably noticed it coming on this side. I've got a drop post sock which actually works very well. It saves all the muck getting into the seals, and yeah, it's done me proud. And it's simply an old inner tube just cut down and the cable tied underneath. Yeah, does a fine job. Now with the brakes, I have actually upgraded the discs to 180 at the back, and I've got 200 at the front. Makes a massive difference. It's the centerline 200. It does make a big difference in braking power. Can't fault them now. So there's the blooming awesome 905 from Whyte.